और जनाब, तुम्हारा तो प्रमोशन हो गया है। क्या चल रहा है?
मेरा तो चैट जीपीटी और एआई टूल चल रहा है।
ये यूज करके तुम्हारा प्रमोशन हो गया है?
हाँ,
मुझे भी सिखा सकते हो?
एब्सोल्युटली आई कैन।
Do you guys use ChatGPT? Obviously, we all are using. So just like ChatGPT, I will tell you some more tools which you can use absolutely for free. So without further ado, let's get started. Our first tool is Google Bard. Google Bard is Google's answer to ChatGPT, and now it is available for everyone to use. Number 1, Bard has access to the internet, and so you can ask Bard for the latest information and it will give you up-to-date answer. Like see here, if I ask Google Bard which is the best camera in 2023, see, it says the best camera is Sony a7 IV. Number 2, since Bard has access to the internet, you can provide Bard with an article link and ask it to summarize the entire link in simple words. It does it with ease, and this will save so much time, and also whenever Bard give an answer, you can directly import your answer to Google Docs or just draft it in Gmail. Our next tool is Flair.ai, the AI design tool for product photoshoot. Once you log in, you have the option for create new project. Drag and drop your image, it will ask you to remove the background. Add like a one-word prompt of what the image is, and that's it. See, on the left you have a lot of templates to choose. From that I will go with the bubble one. Also on the right side you have the tutorial. So how this works, hit generate and just there you have it. And the best part is no watermark, no copyright, nothing. So if you are a freelancer or a graphic designer, you can give Flair a shot. Now the picture quality could have been better, but I won't complain since it's free. And if you want to master AI and more tools of AI, just dive with us, and do not forget to join the Power Pack session and be the 10x version of yourself. In this Power Pack 2-hour workshop, you will learn the foundation of AI, its application, and real-world use cases that can elevate your career. Okay, so this one is a really fun AI website. So you go to this website, Scribble Diffusion. Here you can basically scribble anything. So I will just draw the scenery like most common school scenery ever. I bet 9 out of 10 people have tried to draw this once in their lifetime. Next, write a sentence describing the picture, and then actually you got this. This is actually a good picture. And now I want to try it. What if I do not change the picture and add just more prompts? Let's see what it will create. Guys, I wrote a cat and a dog playing, and see what it had just created. It will include dogs, mountains, everything. For sure, AI will replace humans in few years. Our next tool is MusicGen. This tool lets you create copyright-free music in any style of theme you want. You just have to describe the music you want and then it will create it for you. Let's see how it works. Here, just describe the kind of music you want. Let's say a pop music with catchy and vibrant sonic journey. And there you go. Just tap generate. Wow, I like how it captured the mood I described. You can also give the input like the kind of instrument you want, the tempo, the percussions, etc. And it will create the exact music. Let's say I enter drum and bass beats with intense percussion. Click generate. Wow, that sounds great. Let's say you have a reference music and you want to create something similar to that or try different styles. So to do that, we have an option here. To upload the audio, so you can just upload the audio, describe the output you want. So let's try it out. I'm gonna ask them to create an Indian version of this. Harry Potter theme in Indian version. Tap generate. Now let's play it. For more learning in AI tools, just follow us. If you want to dive deeper into this topic, we have our workshop, which we are offering at an unbelievable price. So, are you ready to seize this opportunity? Here's how you can enroll. Click the link on the description below and it will take you to our website. Bye guys, see you in the next video.